Hello teacher, I am Narinthorn Sathipjan. Today I explain the problem to multiply more than one digit. Let's go do it. Have at least two numbers to multiply. It doesn't matter if they are one digit, two digit, or even 10-digit numbers. You just need more than one number to multiply. For example, 23 and 40. The first step, write out the problem. Take your largest number and write it clearly on a sheet of paper. Take your second smaller number and write it directly underneath your first number. Align to the right. Underline the bottom number. This is to ensure a separation between the two numbers. You have choose and the solution. Optional. Add a multiplication symbol to the left of the problem. This is to provide clarity and help you remember what you were doing if you are looking over past problem. Make sure your writing is neat and clear to avoid mistakes. The second step, begin multiplying. Now look at the digit process. To the right or the bottom number, or in other words, the number in the smallest value place. Take that digit and multiply it by the digit process to the right on the top number. With the two numbers chosen in the period example 23 and 40, the two digits we will multiply are 3 and 0. 3 multiplied by 0 or 3 groups of 0 result in a total of 0. Place this 0 underneath the line that you create when you underline your bottom number, and directly under the digit 3 in the number 23. It is important to keep your number aligned at all times to avoid error. The third step, repeat with next top digit. Begin again with the digit process. To the right on your bottom number, 3 in our example. Multiply it by the next digit in your top number, 4 in our example. This result in 12. Write 12 next to the 0 under the line. The 2 in 12 will go directly below the 2 in 23. And the 1 in 12 will go in front of the 2. This will result in number 120 being written below the line. If you have a number longer than 2 digits, add your top number, then continue to repeat this step until you have multiplied your digit in the bottom number by every digit in the top number. The first step, Multiply with the next digit in the bottom number. Before you look at the next digit, write a zero directly under the zero in 120. The reason you do it to move your value place over and keep the digit in line. Remember, the first digit you multiply was in the ones place in our example. This next digit in the 10th place. So when we add our number together at the end to obtain the final result, we will need to add the actual value, the zero serve as a placeholder and reminder that you are now multiplying from the 10 value place. Shift your focus and look at the next digit in your bottom number, 2 in our example. You will now repeat the step that you did with the previous digit in the bottom number. Per our example problem, you would take the 2 in 23 and multiply it by the 0 in 40. This will result in 800 being written under 120. Remember the digit under the line before one another as we did with the previous digit. Now add this number up. Here is where the importance of keeping your number and digit in that come into play. According to our example, when you add the number up, you will be left with an answer of 920. So 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So 2 plus 0 equal 2. 2. And 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Okay, this answer is correct. Okay, tip. In order to fully understand, this is recommended that you follow along with the step on a piece of paper. In some instance, when multiplying a bottom digit by a top one, you will need to carry over a number to the next column. For example, when multiplying 19 by 9 and you begin by multiplying 9 by 9, you won't have space to place the 8 in 81. In this case, you would write the 1 from 81 below the line directly under the 9. Then you will take the 8 from 81 and carry it over to above the 1 in 19. Then when you multiply 9 by 1, you will add 8 to the result and write the total number below the line as normal. Beneath, clear and ordering mistake and error will happen if you are not. Thank you.